Hey there! Are you looking for a way to maximize your retirement savings and achieve financial freedom? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of 401k plans and revealing some strategies used by the Superrich that can help you maximize your wealth building potential. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video from explosivefinance.com, where we share financial tips and tricks to help you get ahead of your finances. So, what are 401k plans, and why should you care? A 401k plan is an employer-sponsored retirement savings account that allows you to save and invest a portion of your paycheck, often with matching contributions from your employer. These plans are incredibly popular because they offer a range of benefits, including tax-deferred growth, employer matching, and the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Interested in learning more? Stick around! Now, let's talk about some of the amazing benefits of 401k plans. Did you know that your contributions are made pre-tax, which means you're lowering your taxable income and saving on taxes right now? That's right. Plus, your investments grow tax-deferred, which means you won't have to pay taxes on your gains until you withdraw the money during retirement. And let's not forget about employer matching. It's like getting free money. Who wouldn't want that? If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Now that you know the benefits of a 401k, let's talk about how to make the most of it. First, always aim to contribute at least enough to get your employer's full match. It's free money, after all. Next, consider increasing your contributions over time as your income grows, and don't be afraid to explore investment options within your 401k plan to ensure you're well diversified and minimizing fees. So, have you ever wondered what strategies the Superrich use to maximize their 401k plans? Let's find out. When it comes to the Superrich and their 401k plans, they often combine them with other investment strategies, like IRAs, taxable brokerage accounts, annuities, and real estate. They also focus on tax optimization, strategic asset allocation, and working with financial advisors to maximize their wealth building potential. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not super rich, so what's the point? Well, by understanding and applying these strategies to your own 401k plan, you can still maximize your retirement savings potential and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us out. To truly succeed with your 401k, it's essential to overcome common obstacles, such as adjusting your contributions, rebalancing your portfolio, and dealing with market volatility. Stay motivated, set realistic expectations, and always stay informed. Speaking of staying informed, the future of 401k plans may bring new regulations, shifting tax laws, and innovative investment strategies. Keep up to date with these changes and adapt your savings strategy as needed to maintain your retirement plan's success. So there you have it. By understanding the benefits of 401k plans, maximizing your contributions, and learning from the strategies used by the Superrich, you can work towards achieving your long-term financial goals and securing a financially stable retirement. As the future of 401k plans evolves, staying informed and adapting to new strategies will be crucial for your success. If you've made it this far, we hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have about 401k plans. For more financial tips and tricks to help you get ahead of your finances, make sure to check out our blog at explosivefinance.com. And remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning, stay motivated, and take control of your financial future. Until next time, check out our other videos for more tips.